Imagine our world millions of years ago, before cities, before us. Picture a time when the earth was wild and untamed, where the air was thick with mystery, and the ground trembled beneath the footsteps of creatures beyond our wildest dreams. It was a world of giants, ruled by dinosaurs. Towering sauropods grazed on ancient ferns, while fierce predators stalked the shadows. Each day a struggle for survival in a landscape both beautiful and brutal. We see their bones in museums, silent and still, reminders of a lost era. But what if you could see them alive? What if you could witness their world, not as a distant memory but as a living, breathing reality? Welcome to the Deep Dive, a Jurassic adventure. Here, the past isn't just displayed, it's brought to life in ways you've never imagined. This isn't just an exhibit, it's a portal to the Jurassic period. Step through these doors, and you're not just a visitor, you're a time traveler, crossing the threshold into a world lost to history. Using science, technology, and imagination, we peel back time's layers. Virtual reality, augmented displays, and cutting-edge research combine to reconstruct the sights, sounds, and even the smells of prehistory. Step through the door with us and leave the present behind. Let curiosity guide your footsteps as you journey into a realm where the impossible becomes possible. Experience wonder, danger, and life on a scale you can barely comprehend. Stand in the shadow of a towering brachiosaurus, feel the ground shake as a herd thunders past, and sense the thrill of discovery at every turn. We've fused paleontology with immersive storytelling. Every fossil, every exhibit is a chapter in the grand saga of life on Earth, waiting for you to uncover its secrets. Here you don't just learn about the past, you live it. Walk among the giants, hear their calls, and feel the pulse of a world long vanished. Become the explorer, the scientist, the adventurer. Dig for fossils, piece together ancient mysteries, and see the world through the eyes of those who first uncovered these incredible creatures. Make discoveries, ask questions, and maybe even run from a T-Rex, safely of course. Every moment is an opportunity to challenge what you know and ignite your imagination. Prepare for an expedition unlike any other. Gather your courage, your curiosity, and your sense of wonder, because what lies ahead is nothing short of extraordinary. Forget what you know from movies. This is personal. Here, you're not just watching history, you're a part of it, forging your own path through the mists of time. We'll travel through time, look a dinosaur in the eye, and see the spark of life that once ruled the earth. Feel the connection across millions of years, a reminder of our shared story. This journey is for the curious, the brave, the dreamers, for anyone who's ever wondered what it would be like to walk with dinosaurs, to touch the past, and to bring ancient worlds to life. For the kid in all of us who once imagined dinosaurs were real. For the adults who never lost that sense of awe and wonder. Because here, for a little while, they are. The adventure is waiting. Step forward and let your imagination roam free in a world where anything is possible. Life finds a way. And so can you, right here, right now, at the door to a lost world. How do we reach the Jurassic? With our chronosphere, a marvel of technology that bridges the gap between past and present, allowing us to step into a world lost to time. Step inside, put on a headset, and the world transforms before your eyes. The familiar fades away, replaced by the promise of adventure and discovery. The room dissolves into a swirling vortex of light and color, as if you're being transported through the very fabric of time itself. It's a sensation that tingles with anticipation. You feel a rumble beneath your feet, a gentle hum of energy that pulses through the air. Every sense is heightened, every moment charged with excitement. This isn't just watching a screen, it's full immersion. You're surrounded on all sides, able to look up, down, and all around as if you've truly left your world behind. Suddenly, you find yourself in a sleek, futuristic vehicle, gliding effortlessly above the prehistoric ground. The landscape stretches out endlessly, wild and untamed. The air is thick, alive with ancient sounds. The distant calls of creatures, the rustle of leaves, the low rumble of thunder in the distance. It's a symphony of the Jurassic. Towering ferns and vibrant flowers surround you, their colors more vivid than you ever imagined. Each step forward reveals new wonders, from delicate petals to massive fronds. A distant volcano smokes on the horizon, its plume rising high into the sky, a constant reminder of nature's raw, unpredictable power. The ground beneath you feels alive. Then you see them, brachiosauruses, gentle giants with necks stretching to the treetops. They move with a slow, majestic grace, undisturbed by your presence. You glide closer, close enough to see the texture of their skin, the intelligence in their eyes. For a moment, you share their world, their perspective. Stegosauruses pass by, their iconic plates glowing in the sunlight. Each step they take stirs the ancient dust, leaving footprints in the soft earth. You're not just watching, you're there, walking among these incredible creatures. You can almost feel the ground tremble as they move. But the Jurassic has its thrills and dangers. The forest grows darker, shadows flicker, and your heart races with anticipation. You might witness a velociraptor hunt, their calls echoing through the trees. They move with lightning speed, their eyes sharp and alert, always on the prowl. Or come face to face with the mighty T-Rex. The ground shakes with each thunderous step, and a deafening roar splits the air. Awe and fear mingle as you realize the scale of this ancient predator. And then, just as suddenly, you're back, safe in your own time, but forever changed by what you've seen. The journey lingers in your mind, vivid and unforgettable. You've seen a lost world. You haven't just learned about it, you've lived it, breathed it, and felt its wonders firsthand. And you'll never forget it. Welcome back to the present, carrying the magic of the Jurassic with you. The adventure is yours to remember, always. After witnessing dinosaurs come to life before your eyes, you might find yourself asking a big question. How do we actually know what these incredible creatures look like, how they lived, and what their world was like millions of years ago? The answer isn't just in books or movies, it's buried right beneath our feet, waiting to be discovered by curious minds like yours. Welcome to the Dino Dig site, where adventure and science meet. Here you get to step into the shoes of a real paleontologist, even if just for a day. Imagine the thrill of uncovering ancient bones just like the experts do. We've recreated the rugged Badlands, the very places where Earth slowly gives up its ancient secrets. Grab your brushes, picks, and trowels, your tools for discovery, and get ready to dig deep. As you carefully sweep away layers of sand, you'll reveal life-sized replicas of dinosaur skeletons, like the mighty Triceratops, the fierce Allosaurus, and many more prehistoric giants waiting to be found. Each bone you uncover is a piece of a much larger puzzle. As you fit them together, you're not just building a skeleton, you're piecing together the story of life from a forgotten era. Our expert chief paleontologists are here to guide you every step of the way, helping you interpret your discoveries and understand what they mean. Examine the sharp teeth of predators and the flat jaws of plant eaters. Compare, contrast, and imagine how these animals survived in their ancient world. It's like solving a mystery, and you're the detective. This hands-on experience teaches patience, teamwork, and the importance of paying close attention to every detail. Science isn't just about big discoveries, it's about careful, methodical work, and the excitement of finding something new, no matter how small. You'll leave with dirt on your hands, a smile on your face, and a brand new appreciation for the thrill of discovery. The past is truly in your hands. Today you've earned your find, and maybe, just maybe, sparked a lifelong passion for uncovering the secrets of our world. VR is thrilling, digging is hands-on. But what about the science? Our interactive exhibits make learning active and fun. At Build a Dino, assemble digital skeletons and test if your creation could walk or run. In the Dino Sound Chamber, experiment with dino calls, adjust crests, hear prehistoric sounds, try the plate tectonics puzzle, move continents back to Pangea, watch climates and habitats shift, push buttons, turn cranks, and see science come alive. Complex ideas become simple, playful, and memorable. Geology, anatomy, and evolution become stories you can touch. Here, curiosity is rewarded. Science is an adventure. What if dinosaurs could walk among us? With augmented reality, they can. Point a tablet or phone at a fossil, watch it come to life, flesh and muscle wrapping around bone, walk around a stegosaurus, take a photo with it. This magic is powered by ultra-detailed 3D scans of real fossils. In our fossil lab, manipulate digital bones, zoom, rotate, even look inside. Compare a T-Rex skull to a modern bird, see evolution in action. Most fossils are too rare to touch, but digital models make them accessible. Interact, explore, and understand like never before. Technology brings the past into your hands. The inaccessible becomes real. See ancient life in a new way. Let's meet the dinosaurs. They weren't just one kind. Dinosaurs were incredibly diverse. Sauropods like Brachiosaurus were the largest land animals ever, using their size and long necks to survive. Theropods, from T-Rex to Velociraptor, were hunters, some with feathers, all with sharp senses. Real velociraptors were turkey-sized, and likely feathered. Predators were smart, fast, and fierce. Then there were the armored and horned dinosaurs, Stegosaurus with its plates, Triceratops with its shield-like frill. These herbivores were well defended, not helpless. The Jurassic world was a complex ecosystem, a dance of hunter and hunted. Each dinosaur had a role, each adapted to survive. The diversity is staggering. From gentle giants to cunning predators, they ruled for over 150 million years. Their world was vast, wild, and ever-changing. Dinosaurs were more than monsters, they were survivors. And their story is still unfolding. Why don't we find dinosaur bones everywhere? Fossilization is rare, a true geological lottery. Most animals decompose, vanish without a trace. For a fossil to form, an animal must be quickly buried by sediment, usually near water. Over time, minerals seep in, turning bone to stone. The original bone decays, but a perfect stone copy remains. Millions of years pass, then erosion reveals the fossil. Discovery is the final step. A lucky paleontologist spots something unusual. Each fossil is a story of chance, time, and transformation. From life to stone to discovery, it's a journey across ages. The past waits beneath our feet. Beyond the big attractions, we tell stories, because history is made of them. In echoes of the past, holograms and soundscapes bring fossils to life. Meet Big Al, the Allosaurus. See his struggles and triumphs, told through his bones. Watch Archaeopteryx glide in a recreated ancient lagoon, bridging dinosaurs and birds. Hear Mary Anning's story, her discoveries, her challenges, her passion for fossils. These moments turn science into personal tales. Fossils become characters, history becomes human. You connect with the past, one story at a time. Science is storytelling. So there you have it, a journey through time, science, and imagination. The deep dive. A Jurassic adventure is more than a day out, it's a spark for curiosity. For families, students, and lifelong dreamers, it's a chance to see the past come alive. Technology makes learning engaging, the past present. The story of dinosaurs is one of survival, adaptation, and awe. It's also a reminder, life is fragile, and our place in history is brief. We must protect the biodiversity we have now. Step into the age of dinosaurs. Feel the ground shake, uncover secrets, and see life find a way. This adventure is 150 million years in the making. The door is open. All you need is curiosity. We'll see you in the Jurassic.